Hey guys, welcome to part 9 of my discord.py creating a Discord bot in Python. In this video we're going to be going over creating a custom help command in your bot. And so the reason that we're going to be creating a custom help command is because if you look at the default one, it's pretty ugly, not too easy to customize, format, whatever the heck you want to call it. But yeah, so we're just going to scrap it and we're going to create our own. So it's pretty straightforward. You just need to do sort of two main things. One would be getting rid of the old command, and the second one would be sort of creating your new command, right? Creating the new command has a bit more flexibility, but in terms of removing the old command, it's really just the same thing. It's just one line of code. So if you go over here to the line where you create your client, just underneath it, at least I would recommend you put it underneath it, you're just going to say client.remove command and just the name of the command. So in this case it would be help. Now the reason I recommend you put it underneath the line where you create the client is because as soon as the client's created, it will immediately remove the default command or the default help command before even trying to compile your events and commands. And that's how you know that you're removing specifically the default help command and not your new help command. Technically, you just have to have that line before the new help command is created, but I mean, better be safe than sorry, right? So yeah, that's step one. This is really quick, by the way. This video probably won't take longer than 5 minutes, 6 minutes, but yeah. So we've removed the old help command, so now if you tried to do your prefix and help, it shouldn't be working, at least if you ran this code right here. So we're going to be creating our new help command now. So client.command, command, brackets, and we're going to say async def help. And so what I'm going to do with this help command is I'm going to have it send a private message to the user. Alright, pretty straightforward. You've probably seen it on a couple bots, but this might be new to you guys. So what I need to do first is I need to get the user that I want to send it to. So what I have to do is pass context, just like that, and I'm going to say author is equal to ctx message author. Alright, straightforward. Now, I've actually created an embed here, which I have. Let me just copy that over here. So all I've done here is I've created an embed, which is orange, and I've set the author to help, because if you remember in my past video, or my last video where I talked about embeds, I specifically said that I don't like using the title as an actual title simply because it blends in too much with the description and the other fields and things like that. So that's the only reason why I created my title using the set author function. You can do it using title up in here, but you don't have to. So I've created the embed, I've set it to orange, I've set my title, and I've created a field here simply describing the ping function here. So just the function itself, or not the function, the command itself. A quick little description. It just returns Pong, as you can see here. And it's not in line, because I just want, if I were to add more sort of commands in their descriptions, I just want it to be a list as opposed to a horizontal just jumble of commands. Yeah, no thank you. So now that I have my embed, it's just a matter of sending it to the user. Really straightforward. All you need to do is say await client send message. And if you remember from my past videos, I've specifically said that the send message function, you would have to pass in the channel and the message, right? Now, when sending a message as a private message, it's a bit different. You don't pass in a channel, you simply pass in the user that you want the message to be sent to. So instead of passing the channel in this, well, in the spot that we would be passing the channel in, aka the first parameter, we're just going to say author, simply because we've gotten the author. It's the person who ran the help command in the first place. They need help, so we're going to send it to them, and we're going to send them the embed we created. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Let's quickly look this over. So we removed the command, we've created our own new command, we got the author, embedded our help information, whatever the heck else we wanted in there. It doesn't even have to be help. Like, this could just be sort of seen as a tutorial on how to send a private message. But yeah, we've created sort of our help command, and we've sent it to them. So it should be working. Let's run it. bot is ready. Let's go over here, .help. The reason you heard 2 Discord sounds is because I have my, my web browser open here on the left screen, which you can't see, and it's because I have this test account open here. I was testing out a couple things, which you'll actually see here. So if I look at the Discord message here, you can actually see, yeah, I was testing out the bot earlier with the help command just to make sure it worked for this video. But yeah, as you can see, it sent the message, help, that's in the author section. You have your field title and your field description, or your field value. And if there were more, I mean, I could add one more, but you would see that they're not in line. But you could just watch the last video on embeds to just sort of see how that works. But yeah, that's essentially it. So now we've learned how to sort of create our new help command. You could actually put something in here, just after or even before the embed is sent, just saying, I've sent you a private message, go look over there, just to sort of point their direction or their attention in the right direction. But yeah, that's the end of this video. It's pretty straightforward, pretty quick. I hope this helped you guys. This was actually a suggestion, so I'm getting around to those. But please leave more in the comments. I've got like 2 more suggested videos, I think. I don't know if they're both suggestions. I know at least one of them is. But those are coming up. Those are surprises. So stay tuned. Subscribe. I encourage subscriptions. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you later. Bye.